having consciously and freely applied to be a member of the Nature Club, a club duly affiliated to the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, subscribing to the Eagles Magna Carta of the Philippine Eagles, and believing in its capabilities as a self-reliant, first Philippine-born, fraternal socio-civic organization, and the capabilities of my club to carry the pursuits and ideas of the Philippine Eagles. Do hereby solemnly make oath that I shall defend and uphold at all times said Eagles Magna Delicadeza and moral code of ethics as the ultimate measure of my conduct and judgment relative to my dealings with my club, with the national fraternity, and with my fellow Eagles. So help me God. Congratulations, mga kuya natin.
Congratulations po sa lahat ng newly elected members. Pwede na po natin pati ang ating candidate. May we request po ang ating mga ate sponsors to come for the pinning ceremony.